My dear 7th class students, so we completed how many problems? 8, no? Now, 9th one, exercise, which exercise? Third exercise, 9th one. Length of rectangle exceed by breadth by 4 meter. So, length of rectangle means here given the length value, it's not given the breadth value. So, breadth is equal to x meter. So, length is 4 meter exceed by breadth. So, what is the length value? Breadth means what here? B. Length value what here? X plus 4. Exceed means what? Plus. Exceed means what? Plus. Next, perimeter of rectangle. 84 meters. What is the perimeter of formula? 2 into L plus B is equal to 84 meters. So, into L means what here? X plus 4. B means what here? X meter is equal to 84 meters. So, meter get cancelled. 2 into x plus x, 2x plus 4 is equal to 84. So, 2x plus 4 is equal to, send this down, 2 1s are 2 4s are 2 2s are. So, 2x plus 4 is equal to how much? 42. 2x is equal to 42 minus, send this one, minus 4. 2x is equal to how much? 38. X is equal to 38 by 2. 2 1s are 2, 19. So, x is equal to what here? 19. X means what here? Breadth. So, breadth is equal to 19 meters. What is the length? Length is equal to what is there? X plus 4. So, 19 plus 4. How much? 23 meters. Okay, na? One check out. Ready? Next problem. Next one what? 10th one. After 15 years, Hema age will be 4 times of her present age. Find the present age. First, 10th one. First, Hema age. First, Hema age is equal to what here? X. Hema age what here? X. After 15 years, Hema age will be 4 times of her present age. After 15 years. After 15 years, how much here? X plus 15. 4 times means what? 4 times her present age. So, what here? 4x. 4 times means what here? 4x. Out equal this one. 4x is equal to x plus 15. Bring out this one. Minus x is equal to 15. 3x is equal to what here? 15. X is equal to what here? 15 by 3. 3 1s are 3 5s are. So, x is equal to what here? 5. What is x value? 5. So, what is our present age? Five years. So, why we have to equal? After 15 years, this year will be equal. Okay, now 4 times and that x plus 15. Okay. So, once you got. Next, 11th one. A sum of rupees 300 given to the from 63 prices. If the price of money either rupees 10 or rupees 15, find the each of the price. So find the each of the price. So what is the amount will be? 63. This one will discuss the ladder. So 12th one. A number is divided into the two parts, such as one part is more than 10 more than other. Okay, na? Let one part is equal to what? X. Let one part is equal to what? We don't know the X. Other part is 10 more than other. So that means what? So other part is equal to how much? X plus 10. What is that? X plus 10. If the two parts are in the ratio, what is the ratio? 5:3. Next to find the two parts. Okay, na? We have to find out the two parts. First, so we'll find out this one. Okay, first part what here? So first part is equal to 5. What is the first part here? First means 5 into x, that is 5x. Next, second part. Second part what here? X plus 10 multiply with what is the second part here? 3. So 3x plus 3 times 30. So according to the problem, you have to equal this. 5x is equal to 3x plus 10. We go this one, minus 3x is equal to what here? 10. 2x is equal to what here? 10. X is equal to what here? 10 by 30 on this one. 30. So 30 by 2. 2 ones are 215. So what is the first part? First part is equal to 15. Second part, x plus 10. What is the part? 10 plus 10, 25. Okay. Next. So this is the 13th one. I am giving to the homework. Sushma said, multiply the number. So think as the one number, multiply the number by 5, adding to the 8 gives the same answer, subtracting from the 20, find the Subhan's answer. So this is a logical question. You have to think that number and find out the answer. Okay. Next. What in one word? The teacher tell the class highest marks obtained by the student on class is twice of lowest marks plus 7. Highest marks is equal to 8. What is the lowest marks? So here the teachers tell that the class highest marks are obtained by the student in her class twice of the lowest marks plus 7. So first highest marks. Think of this one. X, lowest marks. Next, so highest is equal to highest marks is equal to twice of the lowest marks plus 1. Twice means what? 2x plus 7. 2x plus 7. So what is the given here? The highest marks as given. We will find out the lowest marks. Okay na? Find out the lowest marks. Okay. So what we have to do? This whatever the highest mark there, 2x plus 7 is equal to, we have to equal the highest marks already how much given here? Highest marks is equal to already given here 87. What is the highest marks of equation? 2x plus 7. We have to equal this one, highest and highest. So 2x is equal to 87 minus 87. 2x is equal to 87 minus 7, 80. X is equal to 80 by 2. 2 ones are 246. X is equal to what here? 40. So what is the lowest marks? So lowest marks is equal to 40. Okay na? Let's check out. Next, discuss the last and final. So next problem also I'll give the homework. In the adjoining figure, each of the three angles are formed here, x sine, 2x sine. So do one thing here, x plus 2x plus 3x, we have to equal to the 180 degrees. Why? Because already is given here, hint sum of all the angles of point is equal to 180 degrees. Sum of all angles is equals to 180. So we have to equal. How much here? Nothing there means what? 1x. 1 plus 2, 3. So 6x is equal to 180. X is equal to what here? 180 by 6. 6 1 ja 630 ja. So x is equal to what here? 30. So what they given here? Find all the angles. First x is came here. Next 2x is equal to what? 2 into 30. How much? 60. Next 3x. 3 into 30 is equal to what here? 90. Add this, you will get 180. Okay na? Next to 16. Solve the following the radial, same as the 13th one. I mean number. Okay na? Tell me identity, take me the 2 times over and added 36 to reach the century. You still need the 4. This is also logic problem. Try also 11th one. So this is the this chapter has completed. We will discuss the next chapter in the next class. Okay na? Check out all these things.